Hi everyone. I'm Gaurav. I enrolled myself in one of the mentorship programs of Savaria Chadha. I know him personally as well. So I honestly, in the very beginning, I was a little hesitant if I should about enrolling in this program because I thought maybe share market is something that is a little tricky, or maybe if I should get into this or not. uh, Somehow, because I've had like good discussions with him before getting into this course in this program, uh, somehow when he made me he made me understand how is it going to help me in the long run. I enrolled myself, and uh, the way he teaches, the way he interacts in those weekly meetings, in those coaching sessions, it is amazing. And I'm very happy to, and I'm very kind of glad to inform you all. Not only does he give you those good learnings with his sessions, but also in the live market, he keeps on sharing those live calls, live trades, the suggestions, the updates, which is honestly very difficult because I know myself when I'm trading, I would never want anyone to even disturb me, because I know if you're not focused enough, you might just face severe consequences for that. But the way he does it, he manages it, it's indeed something great and commendable. So to start off with my journey, I would say after the completion of first 45 days, uh, in the very beginning things went a little good. I started making some money also, but later on I just thought of experimenting new things on my own, just to see what if I don't keep a stop loss, or maybe what in case if I just keep my target a little ahead, or would say over trading. And I eventually started facing many losses. So a time came when I also felt maybe I should not trade at all. I in fact stopped trading for a couple of months also, but somewhere in my mind I knew that the losses, the the failure was primarily because of my own experimentation and not because of the system, the way he taught things to me about the share market. So I wanted to give it another shot to see if I should just religiously follow the system and then see how does it go. Then I few weeks ago I've been trading consistently, making profits. This time religiously following the VWAP system, not over trading on Thursdays. Then, in fact, not over trading at all. On any day, not trailing on Thursdays, keeping strict stop losses, not trading on stocks which are just sideways trending. So keeping all these things in mind, and of course entering into the market when the system allows me to enter. So I've been making good profits consistently from the time I have started following the system religiously, even if there are losses, because no one can guarantee you that this is going to work 100%, because market is something which no one can predict 100%, though we can always just make a prediction out of what candles show us, but no one can guarantee that. None of the courses would guarantee that this is 100% way to make money. But yes, I must say, the way he teaches, and if you follow the system religiously, follow things as he has been explaining, I'm pretty sure that things go pretty much in your favor. With time, when you start increasing your quantities, when you start building your expertise on few stocks, you start making real good money also. And of course, even if you face losses, eventually with patience you can just cover them up as well. I'm happy overall with the entire course that I was a part of. And not only that, I know personally Savaria. He's a great human being, a great friend of mine, and the way he teaches, it's amazing. The way he's just putting across his learnings, sharing his knowledge with us, it is indeed amazing. Uh, Best wishes to him, and all the best to everyone who's aspiring to build something of their own, other than their core earnings, and their jobs and all. This was all from my side. Thank you so much.